it is time to build the cabinets. We're going to start by building the front set of cabinets. We're going to put 3 shelves in here, one just high enough to get a 2,000 watt generator on the floor underneath. That's kind of the criteria for the first height. The next 2 will have sliding doors to kind of keep things in, small items, and then there'll be an upper shelf with a ledge. Well, there's the upper shelf. We're going to use 1.5 inch self-tapping screws. That'll get us through the plywood support, the wall, and then into the metal support behind there. I'm going to use some shims where the wall is different thicknesses due to trim and some other things. So well, this is going to wrap this one up. This turned out really well. I'm really happy with it. The only stipulation obviously was the generator being down below, so that specified the height that the first shelf had to be. The rest of it is just general storage. I'm not building these for anything specific. This is miscellaneous tools and materials with sliding doors to make sure nothing falls out when I'm going down the road. The upper set up here will have some D-rings in the wall, some of the ones I took down originally when we cleaned out the trailer. And we'll put some bungees up here, and that way it'll keep stuff nice and tidy out of the way. The two holes are positioned towards the man door. That's because basically right where I'm standing in the long run, there will be a pop-up canopy in this corner, so you won't really be able to get to that far side, so that's why this hole's in the middle, just in case you're wondering. But overall, really happy with it. It looks really nice, and it's going to kind of work well with the rest of the trailer and how I'm going to move forward. I really hope you guys got a lot out of this one. I hope you got some tips and maybe some ideas on what you might like to do with yours. Definitely check out some of those other links down there. Hit that subscribe button. It always helps me out in the long run. And until next time, thanks for watching.